The aim of the ship/shore safety checklist is to improve teamwork between ship and terminal, and thereby to improve the safety of transfer operations. Part 1 confirms that pre-arrival information has been exchanged. Pre-arrival information includes, the international shore fire connection is available, the transfer hoses are of suitable construction, the terminal information booklet has been reviewed, pre-berthing information has been exchanged, pressure/vacuum valves and/or high-velocity vents are operational, and fixed-in portable oxygen analyzers are operational. Part 1b, used by ships using inert gas, confirms that the inert gas system pressure and oxygen recorders are operational, the inert gas system and associated equipment are operational, the cargo tank atmosphere's oxygen content is less than 8%, and cargo tank atmospheres are at positive pressure. Part 2 is where the terminal confirms, pre-arrival information has been exchanged, the international shore fire connection is available, the transfer equipment is of suitable construction, the terminal information booklet has been transmitted to the tanker, and pre-berthing information has been exchanged. Part 3 is where we confirm, after mooring, that the fendering is effective, the mooring arrangement is effective, the access to and from the tanker is safe, the scuppers and savealls are plugged, the cargo system C connections and overboard discharges are secured, the very high frequency and the ultra high frequency transceivers are set to low power mode, the external openings and superstructures are controlled, the pump room ventilation is effective, the medium frequency/high frequency radio antennae are isolated, the accommodation spaces are at positive pressure, and the fire control plans are readily available. Part 4 is where we confirm, the tanker is moored according to the terminal mooring plan, and the spill containment and sumps are secure. Part 5 relates to the pre-transfer meeting. The ship and terminal confirm that the tanker is ready to move at agreed notice period, effective tanker and terminal communications have been established, the transfer equipment is in safe condition, isolated, drained and depressurized, supervision and watchkeeping for the operation is adequate, there are sufficient personnel to deal with an emergency, smoking restrictions and designated smoking areas have been established, naked light restrictions have been established, the control of electrical and electronic devices have been agreed, means of emergency escape from both tanker and terminal have been established, the firefighting equipment is ready for use, the oil spill cleanup material is available, the manifolds are properly connected, sampling and gauging protocols have been agreed, the procedures for cargo, bunkers and ballast handling operations have been agreed, the cargo transfer management controls have been agreed, and cargo tank cleaning requirements, including crude oil washing, have been agreed. Part 5b covers some addition checks for bulk liquid chemical transfer, including any inhibition certificates received, if required, from the manufacturer, the appropriate personal protective equipment has been identified and is available, countermeasures against personal contact with cargo have been agreed, the cargo handling rate and the relationship with valve closure times and automatic shutdown systems have been agreed, and the cargo system gauge operation and alarm set points have been confirmed. Part 5c covers some addition checks for liquefied gas transfer, including the water spray system is operational, all remote control valves are operational, all cargo pumps and compressors are operational, the maximum working pressures have been agreed between tanker and terminal, the reliquefaction or boil-off control equipment is operational, the gas detection equipment is appropriately set for the cargo, the cargo system gauge operation and alarm set points have been confirmed, and the emergency shutdown systems have been tested, and are operational. Part 6 is where we confirm, the tanker's maneuvering readiness notice period for full readiness to maneuver. If the tanker needs to immobilize the ship, they must seek permission from the terminal. The security level and protocols are agreed, effective tanker/terminal communications have been agreed. The maximum wind, current and sea/swell criteria or other environmental factors for stopping cargo transfer, and for disconnecting and unberthing have been agreed. Part 7 is where we confirm that all drip trays are correctly positioned and empty, individual cargo tank inert gas supply valves are secured for cargo plant, The inert gas system is delivering inert gas with oxygen content not more than 5%. The cargo tank high-level alarms are operational, and all cargo, ballast and bunker tanks openings are secured. Part 7b is used when crude oil washing will occur. This is where we confirm that the completed pre-arrival crude oil washing checklist, as contained in the approved crude oil washing manual, has been copied to terminal, and the crude oil washing checklists for use before, during and after crude oil washing are in place ready to complete, as contained in the approved crude oil washing manual. Part 7c is used when tank cleaning or gas freeing will occur. This is where we confirm that permission for tank cleaning operations has been granted by the terminal, permission for gas freeing operations has been granted by the terminal, the tank cleaning procedures have been agreed. If cargo tank entry is required, the procedures for entry have been agreed with the terminal, and slop reception facilities and requirements has been granted by the terminal. Part 8 is where the repetitive checks of the ship shore safety checklist are recorded. The frequency of repetitive checks is agreed by the terminal and the ship.